A group of friends had told each other the same joke so many times they got bored. To save time, they assigned a number to every joke. Someone would just shout a number and everyone would burst out laughing.
Number 24! Classic.
We've heard that one 1,000 times. What is happening? They're just yelling numbers?
6, 7. I just picked a random number. Why was that so funny? We've never heard that one before.